Boosting productivity is a common goal for many people, especially when it comes to tasks that take up a lot of time, like working with Microsoft Word. Luckily, there are several tips and shortcuts that can help make your Word experience faster and more efficient. One of the most useful shortcuts is the Ctrl+S combination, which saves your document with just a quick keystroke. This is handy to remember, as it can save you from losing important work if something unexpected happens. Another time-saving shortcut is Ctrl+F, which allows you to quickly find specific words or phrases within your document. Word also offers features that can help you format your documents more rapidly. For example, using the Ctrl+B shortcut will apply bold formatting to selected text, while Ctrl+I applies italics. If you often find yourself needing to copy and paste text, try using Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. These simple shortcuts can make a big difference in your workflow. To further optimize your productivity, you can customize Word to suit your needs. For instance, you can create custom keyboard shortcuts for frequently used functions. Additionally, you can take advantage of Word's autocorrect feature to save time by automatically correcting common typos or abbreviations. In conclusion, boosting productivity in Microsoft Word is achievable with the right tips and shortcuts. Remember to save time with keystrokes like Ctrl+S and Ctrl+F. Format your text effortlessly using shortcuts like Ctrl+B and Ctrl+I, and make use of the many customization options available to tailor Word to your preferences. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be able to work more efficiently and get things done in no time.